Hello, ladies. Hello, gentlemen. Welcome. My name is Deividas, or Mr. Bug. Since last video, I started calling myself Mr. Bug because I always run into those bugs on the software development path, and usually they're not my fault. Usually they're fault of either programming interface, the editor, or computer itself, or something else happening, or especially AI makes lots of mistakes. But because I'm a director and the president of this organization that creates a code, I assume full responsibility, and I can be called also Mr. Bug. So today we're gonna do a little bit different programming. We're going back to the real programming because I'm starting to forget how to write a code manually. How to write the code. This is the VPN head, app, which is, let's see, let's do from here. So I use Control and click, so it opens on my browser here. So this is the app. Just a quick rewind what it does. It just simply gives information about VPNs, and you can buy VPN. This is my just side project that I do to keep myself up to date in programming, and to use my head, my brain, and learn some stuff. And also at the end maybe it will be a little bit profitable or something, but I don't think so. Just more for fun. So we created this login screen, which I don't like, but I will change it later. Small steps at a time. So this is, we're logging in. So this is admin dashboard. Admin dashboard where we'll have a menu of things that administrator can do. One of those things is to create new article. And what I want to do today, I manually would like to create a button right here. And by clicking that button, user or admin would be sent back to the dashboard page. In theory, sounds very easy, and it is really easy for people who know how to do it. I don't really know how to do it. I'm very shy. I know I will do it in a few minutes probably, unless I'll run into problems as always. That's why I'm Mr. Bug, and that's why it can take a little bit longer. So this page is article editor. Now let's look for submit article button, and we'll copy it. Article submitted. So we're gonna go to the bottom. This is React file. And okay, article submitted, that's the message. Submit article. Let's Control F. I think it's to look for Control F. Yes. Submit. Article. Yes, right here. Okay. So if we're gonna copy, and if we're gonna paste, Okay, so we have second button right here. We wanna have different color, and we wanna have a little bit of space here and different text. So different text is coming right now. Cancel. Let's have a cancel. That's it. Nothing else. Just cancel. Okay. Okay. Now, what is class name editor button? Let's go to CSS. Let's go to article editor. Let's look for editor button. And it should be submit article button. Yes, first of all, submit button. Let's change the submit button. Let's change the name because let's create. Okay. Let's yeah, we should do everything by the book. I think that is much easier to live if you do everything by the book. Submit. Okay. So for works. Now for cancel button, let's make it red. Why not? Why not make it red? Do I have a red here? I don't have a red here. I should have red. Maybe home. I think I am using specific red color. Yes, right here. Specific red. Copy specific red. And that's just for copying. Actually, no, that's so unprofessional. Okay, so every time you oh, what I'm doing here, I'm deleting stuff. Every time you copy something in on the Windows machine, it saves in the memory, and you can access that by clicking Windows button and V. So this is clipboard. This is everything I had. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, the programmer's lover or killer. Oh, that's my article that I'm submitting soon. So everything stays in the memory and you can access later. So that's a good tip. You click Windows button and V, and then you can, so whatever you have in the memory. I don't know how long it lasts. It probably lasts till you restart computer or something, or maybe a few days, but it's there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a special rules, special CSS for cancel button, and then we're gonna put the red color here. No. Okay. Windows button and V, and click here. Okay. So that's the. Let's see if it works. Works, not works. Oh, it does not work because I didn't change here. Article editor. Cancel button. Here we go. Now, yeah, okay. It's gonna be fine. So we create a second button. We made it different color. Let's make it further down to the left. We can do it here. Padding. put margin margin left 0.5 rem. Okay, I don't know how much it is, but maybe 1 rem, rem, and rem is the it grabs the it uses from the headline. The bigger the headline, the bigger rem is, so it's proportional. It gives proportions, so that's good. Because maybe you can use this, you want to use this maybe on your phone, which the screen is much smaller, so pixel, if you're using pixels, then it might be an issue, but if you use proportions, then everything stays proportional. And let's put 2 REMs and should be fine. Hey, what's going on? You see that artificial thing makes mistakes, not only me who is making mistakes. Okay, that's good enough. So we changed color, we changed text, we created new button. Now let's make it sure that it directs everything back to the screen, to the dashboard. So this is React. Now I need to remember how it works. This is React. So this is a function. On click, it does this function. Actually, I can put entire function in here. If it's small function, then maybe I don't need to create a function itself somewhere on the top, but I can just put code here if it's a short code. Let's see. Create new. Maybe this would work. Okay. An article editor. No, this is not. I can easily ask here. This is the Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and it would show me immediately how to do it. But I wanna learn. I wanna remember. That's the issue. When you're using AI everywhere, you forget things instantly, and you become like stupid person who sees this code like first time. That's not good. So let's learn together. Let's learn. Let's use AI, but also let's learn. Let's not ask it to do it. Let's ask it to show how to do it. How to go to another React page. How to go to another React page after button click from React page. That's very creative writing. To navigate to another React page after button click, you have several options depending on your. Oh. Navigate. So I have this. I can create a function, handle button click. This one I'm not really clear about it. Okay, that's a hook. Okay. How about let's use a simple link? Can I use simple link here? On click. Handle submit. Instead of handle submit, let's like cancel, submit. Let's create a function cancel submit. Handle submit. Okay. Okay. Cancel submit. Okay, we created function cancel submit. Very good. We can put column here. Let's use maybe the hook function that feels more newer. I have problem understanding it fully, but so let's use this navigate. I guess it is I guess okay, why it's giving me big capital letter. I don't know why it's giving me capital letter. Navigate. Okay. Yes, that's the correct destination. And just for fun, let's see what it will give me, what error it will give me when I will click here. I think I need to do the router, React router. So I hit click and I don't see anything. And let's see, go here. Let's check console. Navigate is not defined. Okay, so it correctly goes from the button. When I click the button, cancel, it goes to cancel submit. And submit. Cancel submit right here. So it comes here and then it comes to navigate and then it doesn't understand what the hell is navigate. So at least we accomplished something. I need to define, I don't okay, so it knows more than I do, of course. So this use navigate is a specialty function of React, and it knows what it does, I hope. Okay, so what's happening? I made a mistake. Oh, it doesn't show me anything anymore. Okay, let's log in again. It complains that my password is too short. Of course it's too short. because I'm lazy programmer. So error occurred when adding error. Use navigate. Okay, shit. Okay, so let's not waste time. I'm not giving up, but I'm learning. So I will not use Copilot, which would automatically change my code. I will go here. I will paste. It will give me all the information here, so hopefully it will teach. The issue is that you're using, yes, I'm using navigate, but you haven't imported it from React. Okay, so why you don't have a message saying that, like other, like if you would use simple, I should call myself Mr. Complainer too. I complain a lot. If IntelliJ and you try to write Java code, it would give you a message saying, hey, you are not doing this correctly. Here you're like blind, you don't see anything what is happening unless you ask AI, which is, so we need to import this. And now it will work. Oh, ha! It worked. So my mistake was only a very minimal mistake. I will give myself maybe a C for this. B minus. I did everything correctly except I did not import use navigate. And that's the function that you need to import if you wanna, if you're lazy and use navigate button, navigate function. So anyway, long story short, we accomplished this semi-successfully. At the end, we had to ask AI about small mistakes. So what we did, we created cancel button. We created also CSS here description for that particular button. We copied from another button, changed color basically, and moved a little bit to the right. So we made margin on the left side of the button, so it moved itself to the right, and that's it. We created this quick small function which basically redirects when we click the button. When we click this button, it redirects to this URL admin dashboard, and we had to use navigate function that we, with the help of AI, imported from React Router DOM. Thank you very much, appreciate it, and please have a good day. Bye bye.